Hey guys, welcome back. This morning I had a request from a friend that is a caterer. She wants a sweet potato casserole for an event, and I am so flattered. And so I'm going to take you in the kitchen with me and show you how I make it because it is decadent. It is delicious. It's not so Cuban, but I'm not always so Cuban in the kitchen. There's nothing Cuban about Thanksgiving. But I was thinking that maybe I'll do a playlist of not so Cuban recipes because sometimes I want to show you something and I'm like, well, that's not the theme, but whatever. I love food. Let's get in the kitchen. Shut up, Luli. Stop talking so much. Let's get in the kitchen and I'll show you how to knock your family socks off on Thanksgiving. I promise this is really amazing. Come on. You'll need 3 cups of canned or fresh yams, sweet potatoes, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 stick of butter, I used salted, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1 cup of peaches, half a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. For the topping, you're going to need a cup or a cup and a half of chopped pecans, half a stick of butter, half a cup of self-rising flour, a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Today I'm using candied yams. You can use fresh, obviously fresh is better, but it is 3 cups of sweet potato candied yams. We have 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. I love to add peaches. You don't have to add the peaches. Oh, but I love the peaches. And that's 1 cup of peaches. I have a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And I have a whole stick of butter. We have a teaspoon of cinnamon. Of vanilla. A teaspoon of vanilla. Sorry. And I have half a teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. And my nutmeg just spilled all over the table. Let me fill it back up. It's 1/4 teaspoon. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. It is 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Don't go crazy with the nutmeg. All right, so now we're going to mix this all up, and I'll spare you that for a moment. Now we pour the sweet potato mixture into a buttered baking dish. And now spread the mixture evenly. And the next thing we're going to do is make the yummy topping. In our bowl, we have 1 cup of brown sugar. To that, we're going to add a cup of chopped pecans, or 1.5 cups. I have 1/2 cup of self-rising flour. You can use all-purpose flour too. And we're going to put in half a stick of butter. Okay, you can actually even melt this butter and pour it in. It doesn't make a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and struggle here and mix this through, and I'll be right back. Okay, here it is all mixed. I finally had to get in there with my hands. Sometimes I like to add a little sprinkle of vanilla to, is this vanilla? No, it isn't. A little sprinkle of cinnamon. Ay, Dios mío. And a little teaspoon of vanilla as well. Little something, something. Okay, and while we're doing this, you should have your oven heating at 350. And we're gonna put this in about, I would say about 40 minutes or so, between 30 to 45 minutes. So, okay. Now we're going to sprinkle this topping evenly, not all over the table like I just did. We're gonna sprinkle the topping evenly over the sweet potato mixture. And now it's ready for the oven. You hear that sizzle? It smells like heaven. There she is, right out of the oven. It smells amazing. Let's go ahead and take a bite. I can only take a little bite because now I have to figure out how to repair this. Because remember, I'm making this for an event. I don't know. I'll work it out. Let's see. Ay, Dios mío, qué rico. Look at that. Okay, let's try it. Oh my God. Right out of the oven. It is so hot. Oh my gosh. That is so good. You have to try this. Hold on, I need a moment alone. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying my recipes, please support me by subscribing. I'll be back with more fall recipes and some Christmas goodies as well. There's yuca con mojo y con gris and some other not so Cuban Christmas dishes. I'll see you real soon. Besitos to all. Mwah.